Why does this always happen to me every time I try to talk to y'all? I can't talk. Okay. So I know that y'all just saw me in this shirt because I just filmed a video about my eyelashes, which, sis, you cannot tell me I did not do a good. Why does this always happen to me every time I try to talk to y'all? I can't talk. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to film another video because it was like, why not? This is gonna be a video on how I clean up my eyebrows at home. I have an electrical razor and I have just a regular eyebrow razor, but it's tinier, so it's more precise. I'm gonna clean both of those blades with, I put alcohol on a paper towel and I'm just gonna put on the blade to clean it. I'm also gonna put this on my eyebrows and wipe them. Let me move this mirror a little closer. I'm gonna brush my eyebrow up. I'm gonna brush it up. Sorry if the lighting looks weird, but I had to adjust it so y'all can see my eyebrow. And I'm gonna cut off the excess on the top. Look at that. Brush it up to check if there's any more hairs. Now you're just gonna shave the perimeter. Then I'm going to shave this part underneath, because that ain't cute. That's the worst part. Look at that. Nice and crisp. Now I'm gonna do that to the next eyebrow. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna put alcohol on my paper towel again, wipe down this blade. I'm gonna look at my eyebrows and see if there's any parts that I have to touch up, and I would use my blue razor for that, which is not electronic. Then I wipe this blade off with alcohol. Put some more alcohol on the paper towel and I wipe my eyebrows. They might sting a little bit. And yeah, that's how I get my eyebrows nice and groomed. After I clean up around my eyebrows, I take my spoolie and my Jamaican black castor oil. Dip the spoolie in. And I don't want to put too much oil on the spoolie, so I'm wiping the excess off. Then I'm gonna brush this into my eyebrows, and this is gonna help the hairs grow. Boom. Yes, baby dolls, that's how I do my eyebrows, and these eyebrows are ready to put makeup on it and everything. If y'all want a makeup routine, if y'all want an eyebrow makeup routine, comment down below, let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you. I love doing eyebrows. But thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications if you want to see more of my content.